All right, let's consider the and version. So these are absolute values that have a less than or a less than or equal to sign. Now remember, when we were thinking about just the absolute value, we said whatever was inside here could be equal to a positive or a negative 5, because that would come out and still be a positive 5 when you take the absolute value. However, remember now we have this less than sign, so we're looking for all the numbers that are less than 5. Well, 4 would be less than 5. But then again, so would negative 4 once I take the absolute value. So I'm looking for all of these numbers here that are less than a positive 5. Now you say, Mrs. Woolley, why don't we put in some negative numbers? But remember, it's absolute value. It's going to come out positive. So really the only numbers I can have are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, and all of the fractions in between. All right, so let's look at how to set this up. We're going to take him out of jail because the absolute value is already alone. So we're going to take him out of jail 2 times, 2x minus 7 and 2x minus 7. Don't change the equation. Then we're going to set it equal to a positive 5 and a negative 5, and we need to put in our inequalities. So we'll put the less than sign here because we didn't change anything. But here we changed it to a negative 5, so we need to flip the inequality and change that sign too. All right, now we just have 2 inequalities to solve, and we like this part because this is nice and easy. So we're going to add 7 to both sides. We'll have 2x is less than 12. And then when I divide both sides by 2, I'm going to have x is less than 6. We'll do the same thing over here. We're going to add 7 again to both sides. We're going to 2x is greater than positive 2. And when we divide out by 2, now I'm going to have x is greater than 1. Now when we graph this, remember, this is an and. It should look like this. So we'll do them one at a time. Here's my 0, here's my 1, and not to scale, here's my 6. All right, I want all of the numbers that are smaller than 6. And I want all of the numbers that are bigger than 1. Remember, since it's an and, it has to satisfy both equations. Therefore, it's just this little piece right in there.